All right, so it's been about 2 months since we lime washed our brick. Just wanted to give you guys an update and show you how it looks. So once it's set, in about, I'd say like 24 to 48 hours, this was the color. You know, we were still able to come out and play around with it a little bit, like with the power washer, kind of sprayed it back just to give us the effect that we really wanted. But this is the color, just to let you guys know. We power wash it so you can see more, you know, more brick in like these areas here, but we kept more lime wash in certain areas than others. So as you can see, this is how it came out. So we mixed the Reposo beige with the Roman black earth pigment, but we only put a little bit, like I showed you guys, that tablespoon or teaspoon actually of the Roman pigment, and it didn't really darken it that much. It just warmed it up ever so slightly. Like, since we went with this khaki brown James Hardy color for our siding, we just wanted it to be a little warmer than it really was. It was a little too much on the white side, even though it's not white, it's like a cream, but we need it to be like a little bit darker, and that Roman black did give that to us. But this is an area that's not in the sun, so you can see what that looks like. So you see it's a little bit of a darker, kind of a creamy tan kind of color. When you look at our siding, it matches it a little better in our opinion. It's not as stark white or kind of like a bright cream as it would have been if we didn't mix that Roman black. So here it is.